day 3 of our 7-day, 7-minute, 7-move challenge. Oh yes, I wouldn't just say that fast 3 times right now. Oh, what a tongue twister. Well, if that doesn't get your heart rate up, then this workout is day 3. It is glutes. Okay, guys, let's get started. So we're going to do 30 seconds of each exercise. We've got 7 moves, 7 minutes. And all we are going to do is we're going to start off first of all with some repeaters. So we're really going to engage that glute muscle. So you're going to come down, you're going to lean onto that front supporting leg, and we're going to take it in and out. So we want to have everything in the weight of that left heel, okay? Because that's how you're going to feel it in those glutes. So now bring those arms in, and we're going to do one side at a time so that we can really maximize the burn, okay? Because if we keep switching from left to right, you're going to lose that burn. So what I want us to do is to really hold on to that burn nice and tight. So lean forward just a little bit more, really press down into that supporting heel, and give yourself a smile for showing up for day 3 of our 7-day challenge. And release. Okay, you're going to take it into a 3-step lunge, going back and in. But we're going to keep a nice bend on that front leg, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and bring it back in again. Really try and stick that booty back. The hips are hinged, okay? So lean slightly forward so we can get all of that weight into that front heel. Oh yes, you're like, oh my goodness, Rebecca, I can really feel it. Yes, we can. So all of that weight into that heel, 3 little steps going back, 3, and here we go, halfway there. Now we can start to already feel that burn. Yes, indeed. So day number 3, everybody, okay? This is where we can really start to either go one way or the other. We're gonna say we are gonna commit and we're gonna show up every single day. Okay, we're gonna take it into a reverse lunge, and then you're gonna bring that high knee. So push all of that weight into that supporting leg, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. So down, and now push in. Now just take a little feel of that glute right now. How's it feeling? It's feeling a little bit rock solid, right? We are really starting to engage that glute muscle. So push down into that front heel as you lift all the way back up again, okay? So you come down here, push into that heel, which will shoot you back up again. Don't think about this leg working. Think about the leg that is on the ground, which is pushing yourself up, and lift that chest. Here we go. Come on, give me a couple more. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay. We're going to take it straight back into leg lifts. Oh yes, we're staying on this side just for 30 seconds more. So lift up that leg. Now bend that front leg a little bit more and lean forward until you can get all of that weight in the glute. That's it, lift up through the chest, inhale through your nose, and exhale out. Now we have kind of got like a 10-second rest in between each exercise, but I'm just going to keep on going, right? I'm going to explain the next exercise, and we're just going to keep on lifting up. So push that heel up to the sky, and here we go. We got 10 seconds left, and then we're going to take it over onto the other side. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're going to take it over to the other side into those repeaters. Alfie, if you want to come over here and join in, he's kind of joining in and barking. No worries, but we're going to take it into those repeaters. So lift the chest up, pull the belly button in towards the spine, and let's crack on with that other side. So you've already done one side, so sometimes we're going to feel a little bit fatigued. That's so normal. So what do we have to do? We just have to increase the effort on the other side and push forward a little bit more. It's kind of like in life where you've been through something challenging, all right? You've been through it, but then you've got to fight even more to get to the next level. All right, we're going to take it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to take it into those 3-step lunges all the way back. So now lean forward just a little bit more for me to get that weight here. Almost think about pushing your booty out to the side, and then a little tap all the way back in. 3 little steps and squeeze. Okay, we're doing so good, everybody. Do not quit. All you have to do to get results, my friends, is to keep on showing up. Is to get to the end of the workout. Even if you can't do everything 100%, you can do it at the best ability that you can. And that's all we can ask for, right? Is showing up and doing our best, and then we're going to improve. Little tap back, and here we go. Give me one more. 3 little taps, and squeeze. All right, reverse lunge into that high knee. So all the way down, push down into that front leg, and then scoop all the way up again. That's it. Just think of a nice big scoop, lifting up, and all of that weight is in that heel. Oh my goodness, yes. That glute is on fire, everybody. Come on, let's keep it going. Lift up through the chest, push down into that heel, and here we go. And we're going to take into the last set of exercises. After this, we're going to come down to the ground. We've got those leg lifts. Remember, we've got to keep pushing forward, making sure that we maximize every single move that we do. So lift up through the chest. And here we go for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. last little part, everybody. We're gonna lift up. So really push that booty and lift it up. So hinge even further forward for me. I know that you can feel the burn. Now bend that front knee. Pull that core in nice and tight and smile through it. We got this, everybody. Come on, 30 seconds right here. The burn is real, but these are where the results. You're like, hey, I love this burn. This burn's amazing right now because I can feel it working, because I can feel everything happening. So let's keep on going. Look, 15 seconds left right now. Lift up that leg. Feel the burn, and here we go. Count down with me. Yes, for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna come all the way down to the ground. We're gonna take it into bridge, in and out. So push down, and we're just gonna come in and out. Okay, so out and in, sorry. That's it, we're gonna bring those legs all the way out, extend, and then bring it all the way back in again. So we're working the backs of our hamstrings right here. So push down into those heels, and then lift all the way back up to the top. Push down, extend nice and long, and here we go. All right, everybody, come on. What is it that you wanted to do when you turned up today? What are you fighting for? Lift all the way up and extend those legs all the way nice and long, and then we're gonna take it back into some normal bridges, deadlifts, and then we're gonna repeat this little series. And here we go. So you're gonna just come up here, and then you're just gonna bridge up and down. Very lightly tap the booty onto the ground and then push those hips up to the sky. Let's keep it going. I know, I'm being a bit cruel today. I really am pushing you to the max, but this is why it's just a 7-minute challenge. 7 is my lucky number. 7 is the day that I was born, so boom, this is what we're doing, right? We're doing 7 days, just really absolutely taking it to the next level and seeing what we are capable of, getting a great sweat in just 7 minutes. All right, all the way up to the top. Here we go. Push those hips up even higher. Push down into the heels. Here we go for 3, 2, 1, and release. Come all the way up. We're gonna take it into a deadlift. Oh yes, we don't need any weights right here. You're gonna have your feet about hip width distance apart. You're gonna come down, little pulse, and then squeeze all the way up to the top. Here we go, little pulse down, push into those heels, and then lift up, tucking those hips underneath. Inhale through your nose, and exhale out, guys. We've just got those bridges one more time, okay? So, it feels like it's a little bit longer than 7 minutes, but it's not. It's 7 minutes of work, all right? The time is on the clock. Do not worry. We're gonna push down, and then we're gonna lift all the way up to the top. Here we go. 7 seconds left, and it's 7. All right, here we go. Down, and squeeze, come back down to the ground. For the last time, you've got about 90 seconds left to go. Nothing at all. We're gonna take it into those bridge, in and out. So push down onto those heels. You're gonna extend all the way long. So this exercise, you're gonna really work the backs of your hamstrings, okay? And when you're working the backs of your hamstrings, it's gonna make your booty perk up a little bit, all right? Because we're working the underneath of the butt, and we're working on those hamstrings. So extend all the way out, and then bring those heels all the way back up again. Here we go. Inhale through your nose, and exhale out. Come on, now push those hips up a little bit higher. Every single time you get back to that bridge position, you want to think about sending those hips up. That's it. Now all the way through. Inhale through your nose. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. And we're just going to take it into those bridges. So push those heels down into the ground. Your knees are going to be out to the side. If you want to make it more challenging, guess what? Just lift up those toes. Now it's so important to get that full range of motion. You're going to feel it more in those glutes. So push down into your heels and then lift all the way up to the top, tucking those hips underneath as you get that full range of motion. That's it. Now push up a little bit higher, squeeze those glutes, maybe lift up those toes for the last 5, 4, come on, 3, breathe, 2, 1, hold, and release. We're gonna come all the way up to a standing position and take it into those final deadlifts. So legs about hip distance apart, lifting that chest up, take it down, add that little pulse, push down into those heels, and then tuck those hips underneath. That's it, we got this, everybody. Last 30 seconds, tucking those hips underneath, giving yourself a smile because you are here. Woo, yes we are. We are on day number 3. Come all the way down, tucking those hips underneath, lift up through the chest, and breathe through it. Okay, we're doing great. You are doing great. We just gotta keep on going. Every single rep that we do right now is counting. It's finally at the end. So 10 seconds left to go. Give it your absolute best. Really push the booty back. Lift up those heels. Lift up the toes, sorry. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness. Ooh, who got sweaty just then? Absolutely. Make sure that you put in the comments that you did day number 3 and which country that you're from so I can give you a high five. Guys, here is day number 4 tomorrow. Let's keep showing up to create that habit, and I'll see you guys then. Bye. elongated neck and bringing those elbows in towards you. Now lift that chest up a little bit more, squeeze those glutes and keep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Come on, you've got